My name is Julie Faifan Balzer, and I'm here with ScanNCut2. All of the fabulous on-screen editing features are even easier with this larger LCD display screen. Let me walk you through how easy it is. So I'm going to go ahead to Pattern, and I'm going to go ahead and choose from one of the built-in designs. And actually, I want to grab this little star that's right there, okay? Or that's a moon, I guess I should say. And once that's done, I'm going to hit Add, and I'm going to go back to the patterns, and I'm going to pick the same cover, but this time I'm going to choose a star. Very cute. And I'm going to go ahead and add it. Now, once I've set that and they're both there are a bunch of different things I can do. So for instance, let's say I want the star to be smaller than the moon. So what I can do from the editing panel is I can simply resize it to whatever size I want it to be. And I could even make there be, let's say, 3 stars, okay, circling around that moon. Now, the other thing that you can do from the editing panel is you can, of course, rotate anything. So let's grab our moon and rotate it. Now, you can choose, once you have this rotate button, you can choose 90 degrees, 10 degrees, 1 degree, and of course they all go back in the opposite direction. But one of the things I want to note is if this is too close to any of the edges, you won't be able to rotate it the full 90 degrees. So whenever I'm rotating, I like to drag it to the center to make sure that I'm going to be able to rotate it exactly how I want. So once I'm all set, the next thing I want to do is I want to find an arrangement for these stars and moons. So I'm going to turn them into a single cut file by welding. So I want to have the stars sort of touching and overlapping and coming in towards that moon. Now, if I zoom in, okay, I can see exactly how they're overlapping, and I can even make any adjustments I want. Let's say I want them to just barely touch, okay, just like that. And again, I can even zoom in more so that I can really get a detailed look at exactly what's happening, because you should be able to customize absolutely anything that you're making. So once I'm sure that everything is overlapping and touching just the way that I want it, I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select all. And you can see how those red boxes popped up selecting everything. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and choose the weld. Now, the weld is a thing that looks like the circle and the triangle that are welded together. So once I hit that, it's going to say, is it okay to do this? It's irreversible. And I'm going to say, absolutely, that's exactly what I wanted. So I'm going to hit OK, and you can see now that my pattern is totally welded together. So let's go ahead and cut that out. So I'm going to open my dust cover. I'm going to place my cool colored cardstock right in there. But you could cut this out of virtually anything up to 2 millimeters thick. So then I'm going to go ahead, choose cut. I know that my blade is set already for cardstock. I'm going to hit start, and we are going to cut it out. So once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and unload my mat, remove the excess paper, and then I can peel my cool welded cut file right off. There's my stars and moon looking absolutely cool. But there's one more quick tip that I want to show you, which is once you've done all the work of designing this file, go ahead and hit the save button so that you have it forever. I hope you'll try out all the editing functions. They're really easy. Remember, see it, scan it, cut it, create it.